everyone, and today I will be sharing with you my finished wildflower postcards. I recently got these postcards. They came just blank. They're pretty much pieces of watercolor paper, but postcard size. This was the first one I painted, the Black-Eyed Susan. I've already sent this particular postcard off as I painted these for the Winsor & Newton Art for Good, in which your original artwork on the postcard you painted will be sold in support of hospital rooms for mental health. So hopefully this one has made its way to London, England. The next wildflower I painted was for my friend. Her favorite wildflower is the Aster, which actually grow wild around where I live. Painting these wildflower postcards has really taught me a lot about the wildflowers around where I live and identifying certain plants, so it's been quite the journey. This here is the smooth Fleabane wildflower, with many super thin petals. The smooth Fleabane in particular has purple and pink tones to it. They're almost similar to the Aster, but as you can tell, the petals are slightly different. I really enjoyed painting in the purples and the reddish pinkish tones, of course adding in that glimmer of sparkly watercolor paint. And then against the orange of the bud, it really makes the flower stand out. I hope my friend can enjoy this postcard as much as I did painting it. And the next one I painted is the wild tiger lily. This is one of my sister's favorite wildflowers. They're a protected species, and they're so vibrant and beautiful. I love the 6-petal formation, and I really enjoyed how the composition turned out for this. It was nice painting more of a red-orange flower, just exploring colors and details and figuring out how to add in that texture of flowers, giving them their personal characteristics is a lot of fun. The next flower that I painted is the lily of the valley, in which I decided to actually make this one pink. They're usually delicate nodding white flowers. My sister's favorite color is pink, so I decided to make these pink, as it was a little tricky making the flowers white on a white background, so I took some artistic magic and made them a different color. So I hope my sister enjoys them. I added a few stems in the background as well, just to give the illustration a little bit more depth. And these flowers actually symbolize spring, purity, and the return of happiness, which I thought was nice. The next one I painted for my other sister, yes, I have lots of sisters, was the winter green flower. These flowers have a really unique white and pink flower. They're a low perennial wildflower, and they have glossy evergreen basil-like leaves, and also some nodding bell-like flowers. The leaves were a lot of fun to paint. I decided to create this interesting texture, leaving gaps between the shapes, almost like a mosaic pattern, which I thought turned out well. I love the shape of these flowers. They almost remind me of stars. And the final flower that I painted was for my friend. She chose the wild lavender. I loved painting the lavender. The oranges against the warmer purple tones and the cooler purple tones were so fun to recreate. Painting in the details in a pleasable way with the whole composition, not making it look too complicated or too messy, was very interesting. Now that all the postcards were completed, it was time to send them off to my friends, hoping they reach their destination. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the comments, the likes, and the subscribes. You can become a free member on my Patreon. The links are in the description below. Videos are uploaded Fridays, so I'll see you Friday. Thank you for watching.